AI technology services coming soon to Genting cruise ship. Asia's luxury cruise company Genting Cruise Lines has revealed a glimpse into Dream Cruise's upcoming global class ship category, a 204,000-ton ship with artificial intelligence (AI) technology. The ship's steel cutting ceremony took place in Wismar, Germany, on Friday, marking the start of the production. Dream Cruises President Thatcher Brown said during Genting Cruise Lines Travel Partner Tribute Award ceremony on Saturday that the new AI technology would include facial and voice recognition and a self-guided mobile assistance, designed to provide better services for guests. Meanwhile, Genting Hong Kong Chairman and CEO Tan Sri Lim Kok Tha said in a statement, "The global class ship mirrors the widespread use of technology and artificial intelligence by our Asians guests in their daily lives, with facial and voice recognition for most services on board, eliminating most queues, contextual marketing to even out demand on ship facilities, automated robots to perform mundane tasks, allowing the hardworking staff to focus on service delivery, along with other artificial intelligent and digital systems. Internet, an essential service for guests to connect on social media, will be free." The global class ship is said to be the largest cruise ship managed by Dream Cruises, as it can accommodate up to 9,500 passengers. It's planned to be completed in 2020 and set to deploy from Shanghai all the way down to Australia,